Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Omowunmiarole. If you are new, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back again. So guys, as the title states, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'll be unboxing the iPad mini. I'm really excited about this. I've seen a lot of reviews on the product and I decided to get myself one because I have been meaning to update my iPad. I use the iPad mini 4 and I think it's about time I upgraded to the iPad mini 6. I got it in the color Starlight, so I'm kind of excited. So let's get right into this unboxing video. As you can see, it has Type-C cord. So guys, this is the iPad mini 6 and then it's the iPad mini 4. As you can tell, sorry, my screen guard here has been smashed. Mention it has a touch. Mouth is very different. Can you see? So it has this magnetic thing up here. So guys, this is the iPad in my hand. It is so cute and I can just hold it with one hand. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and if you want me to do more unboxing videos like this, please don't forget to put it in the comment section and I would buy some stuff and do unboxing for you. So guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.